Welcome back to where we dive into everything from the latest bikes to in-depth reviews, tips, and maintenance tricks. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Today, we're talking about something that's been creating a lot of buzz in the dirt bike world, the 2026 Honda CRF 350. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a racer, or just someone who loves two-wheel adventures, this is a bike you'll want to know all about, so let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off by introducing the 2026 Honda CRF 350. For those of you who might be new to the CRF lineup, Honda's CRF series has long been synonymous with reliability, performance, and versatility in the off-road world. From motocross to trail riding, Honda has a rich history of providing exceptional bikes, and the CRF 350 has that legacy a step further. With the 2026 model, Honda introduces new upgrades, improvements, and a more refined design aimed at making it the go-to bike for riders of all skill levels. First, let's talk about the design and build quality of the 2026 CRF 350. Honda's commitment to craftsmanship is evident from the moment you lay eyes on the bike. The 2026 CRF 350 boasts a sleek, aggressive look with bold red and white colors, which is a signature of Honda's CRF range. The bodywork is streamlined, not only giving the bike a modern aesthetic, but also improving aerodynamics. This is crucial for riders looking to shave off milliseconds in competitive situations. The frame on the 2026 CRF 350 is constructed from high-strength aluminum, making the bike lightweight yet incredibly durable. This ensures that you get a responsive ride, while also having the durability needed for rugged terrain. The subframe has been reinforced in key areas to ensure longevity, even through the roughest riding conditions. The design of the bike isn't just about looks, it's about functionality too. The fuel tank is slimmer, providing more comfort for riders to move around while riding. Honda's engineers have also managed to balance weight distribution to create a bike that feels nimble and responsive without sacrificing stability. It's truly an impressive feat of engineering. Now let's talk about the heart of the machine, the engine. The 2026 Honda CRF 350 comes equipped with a 350cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine. This engine is designed to deliver plenty of torque while still being manageable for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for power in the dirt or someone who's just starting out, the CRF 350 is versatile enough to handle it all. The power delivery is smooth, with a great balance between low-end torque and high-end power. Honda's engineers have optimized the fuel injection system to ensure that the bike runs efficiently across a range of altitudes and temperatures, which is a big deal if you're riding in diverse conditions. And with the new ignition mapping system, riders can expect smoother throttle response even when transitioning between terrains. One of the standout features of the CRF 350 is its excellent engine braking system. It has been fine-tuned to offer a controlled descent, which is crucial when you're tackling steep and technical descents. This feature gives riders more confidence, allowing them to focus on their line and control rather than worrying about slowing down. The exhaust system has also seen upgrades, providing better exhaust flow, which contributes to improved overall engine performance. Honda's engineers have managed to reduce weight by optimizing the materials used in the exhaust system without compromising the bike's sound quality or durability. When it comes to off-road bikes, suspension plays a massive role in determining how well the bike handles rough terrain. The 2026 Honda CRF 350 is equipped with a fully adjustable Showa suspension system, both front and rear. This system gives riders the ability to fine-tune the suspension to their specific riding style and the conditions they are riding in. The front fork features a 49mm Showa coil spring fork that offers excellent damping capabilities, ensuring that the bike can handle everything from rocky trails to deep whoops without losing its composure. The rear shock is a fully adjustable Showa unit, which complements the front fork, providing a balanced ride. The suspension setup is designed to offer optimal comfort and performance across a wide range of terrain, whether you're riding on soft, sandy trails or navigating through more technical rocky paths. The CRF 350 handles with confidence. The bike absorbs impacts and irregularities in the terrain with ease, ensuring a smoother, more controlled ride. Of course, all that power and suspension won't be worth much if you can't stop effectively. Honda has equipped the 2026 CRF 350 with top-of-the-line braking technology, featuring large 260mm front and 240mm rear disc brakes. These are paired with high-performance calipers that offer excellent stopping power, even in muddy or wet conditions. In addition to the impressive brakes, the CRF 350 features advanced traction control, The system is designed to optimize grip when traction is limited, whether you're riding on loose dirt, sand, or even in wet conditions. It gives you that extra level of confidence that you can handle any trail, no matter the surface. Now, let's talk about how the bike feels when you're actually riding it. Comfort is one of the most important aspects of any off-road bike, especially for those long trail rides or intense races. Honda has put a lot of thought into the ergonomics of the CRF 350. The seat is designed to be both comfortable and durable, with a slightly softer foam to minimize rider fatigue on longer rides. The handlebars are adjustable, so riders of different heights can find the perfect position. Whether you're a taller rider or shorter, the CRF 350 offers customization to fit your riding style and preferences. Another key feature is the footpegs. Honda has updated the design, making them wider and with better grip. This improves comfort and control, especially when navigating technical sections where you need maximum grip on the pegs. The bike also has improved heat management with better insulation around the engine, ensuring that the heat doesn't affect the rider's comfort even during intense rides. Let's move on to some of the tech features. The 2026 CRF 350 is packed with some nice upgrades that enhance the riding experience. One of the most notable updates is the new digital display. The full-color TFT screen provides easy-to-read information, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip information. It's also customizable, allowing you to tailor the display to show this data that's most important to you. Another great feature is the integrated lap timer, which is perfect for those who race or just want to keep track of their performance. It's a simple yet effective addition that helps you push yourself during training sessions or races. One of the other tech updates on the CRF 350 is the improved lighting system. The front and rear lights are brighter, more energy efficient, and have better durability. Whether you're riding at dawn, dusk, or in low light conditions, you'll have excellent visibility. Another crucial aspect of owning a dirt bike is the maintenance and durability. Honda's reputation for reliability is well deserved, and the CRF 350 is no exception. The bike is designed with easy access to common maintenance points like the air filter, oil, and spark plug. The engine and suspension components are built to last, ensuring that you won't be constantly spending time and money on repairs. The air filter design has been upgraded for better airflow and easier cleaning. Honda has also improved the durability of the chain and sprockets, reducing the likelihood of wear and tear after extended use. Overall, the 2026 CRF 350 is engineered for long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance, which is a huge plus for those of us who spend more time riding than working on our bikes. To wrap things up, the 2026 Honda CRF 350 is an outstanding bike that strikes the perfect balance between power, comfort, and handling. Whether you're an experienced off-road rider, a motocross enthusiast, or someone just getting into dirt biking, this bike is incredibly versatile and delivers a top-notch experience. From its smooth engine performance, its high suspension, and impressive tech features, the CRF 350 is definitely a bike you should consider. Thank you for tuning into this review. If you liked this video and want to see more in-depth reviews like this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future content. And of course, drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, ride safe, and we'll see you out on the trails.